Good morning from Belogradchik in Bulgaria. We are going to a fortress today and a cave. I'm really looking forward to it. We walked to the top of the hill through everybody's little houses while they were outside in the morning. We even had a little grandma point us in the right direction, which was exciting. These mountains remind me of Dr. Seuss, something that would be in a Dr. Seuss book. They're so neat. Now we got tickets. It was about $3 each to go inside. Let's check it out.
Okay, we just entered into the fortress by what is this gate down here, and we can walk through the center portion and go up to the fortress to where it enters the mountain range here, blocking off passage to the Bulgarian mountain range. That is really cool.
Upset first because the sun's like directly behind it, but once we got closer we could see how incredibly beautiful this is, and the little sunbeams going through make it extra special. I really like it. It's so pretty, and we're the only ones here. That makes it special too. This is why we came here. This is why we drove, what, 5 hours on the bus, and tomorrow we'll drive 5 hours on the bus.
I mean, really, just look at how cool this is. You got steps leading up to here. Ashley's exploring back there. It's like a little bit of a maze of a fortress built into the rocks. Oh, she's calling my name. 1 second.
Oh my God! My favorite spot. So beautiful. I don't feel in danger at all. I just am taking it in.
Why would you think you're in danger?
Because moms are gonna freak out that we're on these rocks, and I'm just letting all the moms know it's okay. We're not in danger. I'm not gonna jump on that rock because it doesn't look steady, but this rock is just fine, moms. It's just fine. Don't! That is rude. So rude. Okay, maybe a little danger.
So that's it. We're leaving the fortress now.
Totally worth it. I'd say come. Even if it takes 5 hours out of your way, you might be the only ones here and you can enjoy amazing fortress.
Basically, the only way to get here via public transportation is through Sofia, which probably explains why not as many people come here. Yeah. And it's also the off season, but it is warm right now. I'm wearing a jacket, but Ashley's hot.
I am really hot.
And so nice. Next up, we're gonna go see a cave. It's about 15 kilometers away from Belogradchik,
And I think she said it opened last year. It's like a recently found open cave.
Brand new. Let's go see.
Yeah! It's probably not brand new. It's probably like really old, right? Because the cave has to grow. They can't just grow overnight, Josh.
We stopped back at our Airbnb for lunch, and all we had was leftovers. So yogurt, Red Bull, oranges, and 1 piece of bread left over.
Great lunch.
Yeah, it works for me.
Before we go to the cave, we're putting the Red Bull in us.
Yeah, we're juicing.
What's she up to?
I just come up with a cool idea for the way away. I changed the A to a Cyrillic delta symbol.
For what?
For our channel name, just for funsies. Oh, also, I'm having a Turkish blend that our friend Ollie gave us back at the hostel. And I'm about to write a little bit about the adventures of the day before we head out for more.
It is so beautiful outside.
It is.
Everybody's just walking around right outside. Josh is smoking his pipe.
Yep.
He's just soaking in Bulgaria.
Всичко снима. Само ще ги даде хубавните, снима. Това снима, орла снима, всичко! А то не мога.
Okay, so we're here at Veneta Cave. As I mentioned before, it's about 15 kilometers outside of the town. We're gonna go on a guided tour. He doesn't speak English, but that's okay. We're just gonna see cool stuff. As Ashley mentioned before, this isn't a new cave. As an attraction, it's new. It's only about a year old for tourists to visit, and it's not really on the map yet. So I'd like to think that we're doing something cool here, showing you something that you've probably never seen before unless you've physically been here in the last 12 months.
Our guide. We got our helmets on. Looking really cool. Backwards, okay. Oh my gosh, you would not find this in the States.
It's just scaffolding. I love it.
So cool. Okay, I'm going backwards.
All right, have fun.
You can probably see up my skirt, but...
It's too dark.
Up my skirt?
Yeah. It's a cave in and of itself.
Awesome. Beautiful. Climbing in here. So cool. Oh my gosh. Oh. Don't worry. Got a hat on.
Hey. Yes.
No, dear.
The cave is alive with the sound of music. Unfortunately, our shutter won't sync up with the lights here, but it's so you can still see how cool it is.
Хелактити.
Ah, stalactite.
Сталактон.
Yeah.
Сталагмит, сталактит.
Then they meet.
Хелактит.
And I like this one here.
Корали.
It's wet.
Корали.
Coral, like a coral.
Пещера. Оникс.
Onyx.
Оникс.
So cool.
It makes a cool sound when you tap it.
So there's 3 different types of.
Ah, okay.
So the onyx is the soft one where you can see through it. These ones are coral-like, and then Pelagtite.
Хелактит.
Oh my gosh.
Корали.
That whole one there is a big onyx one.
Лава. Оникс лава.
Yeah. Onyx is a little sparkly. Wow, it goes up so far. I feel like I'm underwater, but I'm in a cave.
Uh-huh. This one is called Medusa. Look at that. It's like a jellyfish.
Yeah.
A Medusa jellyfish.
Wow. So pretty. It's so pointy and pokey.
Арбунити.
Oh, the wings. Wow.
And this one looks like an angel. See the head and then the hands folded in front and with the wings behind it. Are you finding cool ones, Ash?
Yes, oh my gosh. Way in the back, you probably won't be able to see it. There's a little one and it looks like Buddha.
What?
Like, yeah. And I didn't see it at first. But do you see it?
All right, there it is.
That's funny.
There's the Buddha back there.
We had such an amazing time. This is probably top 5 days in the entire trip. I am falling in love with Bulgaria and we've only been here a day. We left the cave and our host suggested this restaurant for us to eat at. It has a panorama view and really amazing, great food. I got a traditional Bulgarian salad with tomato, cheese, peppers, and olive oil, and it's so delicious. And the view is to die for. I just love Bulgaria.
And I got the house special, so named for the restaurant itself, the Milson Kamak, or Thinker's Rock, which I can almost guarantee you is one of these rocks out here, but I have no idea which one. Oh yeah, that's it. It's perfect.
You found it.
This is an amazing day. Ashley had it right. This is one of the top 5 days. This is gorgeous. We had the whole fortress to ourselves. We had the whole cave to ourselves, and everything was so cheap. The cave was $2.50 each to go in US. But one thing you should know is there's no public transportation there. So you'll either have to have your Airbnb host take you or hire a taxi. It's still not too expensive. It's like $8 or $10. And on top of that, the fortress was really cheap. It was like $3 to go in there. I mean, all told, this is a $20 day plus dinner and food, but not bad at all. And Ashley's over there getting pictures of the sunset, like she do. Ashley, how is it?
I hope we were able to encourage you to get out and travel today, seeing this amazing nature from a cave to these crazy rocks jutting out of the earth. I hope you guys have a good night, day, sleep, whatever, wherever you are in the world, and we'll see you in the next video. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you later, bros.
They're Way Fam, not bros.
See you later, Way Fam. Ciao.
Way Fam fist.